Hello and welcome, this is Safa. In this video, we'll detect object edges and extract important features such as area, perimeter, and centroid using MATLAB. These are fundamental steps for analyzing and classifying objects in an image. Edges show where objects begin and end. In image processing, detecting edges helps simplify the image and highlight meaningful structure. MATLAB provides several built-in edge detectors. The most common one is Canny, which gives a smooth and accurate result even with noise. Sobel and Prewitt are simpler but can be useful for quick visualization. Once edges are detected, we can label each object and measure its geometric properties. This process is called feature extraction, turning visual shapes into measurable data. Okay, let's go to MATLAB and here. Okay, first we read the image and convert it to grayscale. And as step 2, we use the Canny edge detector to find object boundaries. As step 3, bwlabel and identifies connected edges as individual objects. bwlabel. And as step 4, using Regionprops, we can measure each object's area, perimeter, and centroid. Okay. And step 5, we display bounding boxes and centroid to visualize the extract feature. Okay, and you can see. And run this code. In the command window, we print out the numerical result for each object. You can see object features and figure. Detect object features. Okay, and great job. Now you know how to detect and analyze objects based on their edges and feature. In the next video, I will enhance image using advanced histogram and intensity transformation. Thanks for watching.